So basic relationship between pixels. Okay. So first, neighbors of pixels. So I already have explained the theory about the neighbors of the pixel. Today we'll see an example. I've taken an image, grayscale image, which is 5 by 5 matrix. Okay. So in this, I've put the grayscale value. What is the grayscale value? From 0 to 255. So this image consists of these grayscale values, intensity values. In that, I'm going to find 4 neighbors, D neighbors, and 8 neighbors. Finding 4 D diagonal neighbors and 8 neighbors. First, if I take the pixel 100, which I've circled here, no? This is 100. If I'm taking this 100, I have to consider surrounding values and write it separately. So I've taken 100 means immediate surrounding values I'm taking it. From that only I can find 4 neighbors, diagonal neighbors and 8 neighbors. Okay. So if I want to find 4 neighbors, only horizontal and vertical neighbors are considered. So N4 of P, that means it is 4 neighbors. We have to represent N, capital N, small 4, subscript may we write down, may we have to write 4 of P, which is equal to 110, 75, 255, 50. Clockwise I have written it. This is horizontal, dono horizontal, and this is both the things are vertical. 110, 75, 255 and 50. So this is called 4 neighbors. And if we come to diagonal neighbors, which is called as D neighbor. So only diagonal elements are considered. The diagonal elements are what are the diagonal elements? Here for 100, what is a diagonal? If you put a cross line like this, we'll get the diagonal elements. So 25, 25, 70, 200. So ND of P is equal to 25, 200, 70, 25. This is a diagonal neighbors. Next, we come to 8 neighbors. What is 8 neighbors? 4 neighbors plus diagonal neighbors. 4 neighbors plus diagonal neighbors. If you see this, all immediate pixel values will come here. If you take 100, so if we take 100, what we have to do? We have to consider 3 by 3 matrix and one element, that particular pixel, if we leave it, how many elements will be there? 8 elements. So that 8 elements are considered as 8 neighbors. So how to write 8 neighbors? N8 of P is equal to 25, 75, 200, 110, 255, 70, 50, 25. We should not write the pixel which we are moving it. So we want to find the pixel P. P is neighbor. So pixel 100 is neighbor. So we should not consider 100 at that time. So first we have to understand what is adjacency. 2 pixels we are taking at P and Q. They are adjacent if they are neighbors. So only the 2 pixels are adjacent, they are neighbors, and their intensity level should satisfy some specific criteria of similarity. So what is the intensity level? The value should be from the set value V. For adjacency is 2 pixels P and Q with the values from the set V are 4 adjacent if Q is in the set of N4 of P. So what are the 2 conditions here? Pixel P and Q should be the values from set V. And the second condition is Q is in the set of N4 of P. So this is called 4 adjacency. If we come to 8 adjacency next, 2 pixels P and Q with the values from the set V are 8 adjacent if Q is in the set of N8 of P. So what is the difference between 4 adjacency and 8 adjacency? The first condition remains same. P and Q value should be from the set V. And second condition, in 4 adjacency, Q should be in the set of N4 of P. And 8 adjacency, Q should be in the set of N8 of P. Okay, that is a difference here. That I marked with green pen also. Okay, N4 of P, N8 of P. Otherwise, it is both the things same. 8 adjacency means Q should be in the set of 8 N of P. Now we come to M adjacency. M adjacency mein we have two conditions. One of the condition is two pixels P and Q with a value from set V are M adjacent. So here we have two conditions here. If Q is in N4 of P, we take P and we find Q is in set of N4 of P, then we can say it is M adjacent. For example, Q is in the diagonal, then we have to go for the other condition. So second condition is based on the location of Q with respect to P. If Q is horizontal or vertical, then the only first condition we have to use. For example, the Q is in diagonal, then we have to go for this condition. What is this condition? It is NP of P intersection N4 of Q have no pixels whose values are from set V. So I'm giving an example to make you understand what is 4 adjacency. So here, first I've taken an image, okay, and it is 5 by 5 matrix. And I've given this in blue color and green color, yellow color. Can you see that blue and yellow? It is visible from your screen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So green is P and Q is yellow. Okay. So I'm always considered about the P value. So first I will rewrite here in the answer whatever P pixel na, that I'll consider as a center point and I will write all the 8 neighbors of that. Okay. So in this matrix, I'll consider this P and I'll write the surrounding immediate pixels of P. So if you see here 110, 110, 101, I've taken and separately written it. And here the V value is given as 0 and 1. Okay. So this is the question given. Now the condition 1. P and Q should be from the set value V. What is P and Q value? 1 and 1. So they are the set from the set V because V is 0 and 1 and both are 1 is the first condition is satisfied. Correct? Because P is 1, Q is 1, which is from the set value V. We'll go for the second condition. What is the second condition? Q is in the set of N4 of P. So now we have to find N4 of P. What is N4 of P? Neighbors of P, only horizontal and vertical neighbors. So if you see the horizontal and vertical neighbors of P, 1, 1, 0, 1. That's the thing I've written here. N4 of P is 1, 1, 0, 0. So what is this 1? 1 is Q. So Q is in the set of N4 of P. Correct? So second condition is also satisfied. So P and Q are 4 adjacent. Problem. Take first 3 rows and 3 columns. So I will be taking the first rows and 3 columns and 3 rows and consider that middle element as P. So I've rewritten is here. You can see this 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So whichever pixel I'm considering as P, surrounding pictures I have to write it here. Surrounding pixels, no? Immediate pixels values I have to write it here. So this is P and I'm considering this is Q. Okay. So what is the first condition? P and Q are from the set V. So both the things are 1. So automatically the first condition is satisfied. And next condition is Q should be in N4 of P. What is N4 of P? Only horizontal values and vertical values. So it will be 0, 1, 0, 1. So Q is not in N4 of P. So second condition is not satisfied. So P and Q are not adjacent, 4 adjacent. 8 adjacency. So 8 adjacency, I have taken this image 5 by 5 matrix and V is equal to 1 and 2. Here also what we have to do, we have to check the first condition P and Q are from set V and Q is in the set of N8 of P. Okay. So I have taken the problem, same problem. Here I have considered 2 as a P and Q as a 0. Okay. What is the first condition? P and Q are from set V. If I see set P and Q, Q ka value is 0. 0 is not there in set. So the first condition is not satisfied. But if you go for the second condition, 8n of P, if you take the surrounding elements, it is called 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So Q is in 8 of P. So second condition is satisfied, but first condition is not satisfied. So P and Q are not 8 adjacent. Though they are 8 neighbors, they don't have a similarity. What is the similarity? The similarity is that they should be in the set V. We'll go for next. Same problem. I've taken a different this thing. I've taken this as 2 as P. So what I have to do it? Surrounding elements I have to consider it. Okay. So that I've rewritten here. So now I consider P and Q are these things. P is 1 and Q is 2. What is the first condition? P and Q are from set V. Yes, 1 and 2. Then Q is in N8 of P. I have to write all the 8 neighbors. 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So Q is 2. So 2 is in N and N8 of P. So what is this? P and Q are 8 adjacent. Adjacency condition, what is the condition? First condition is simple. P and Q should be in set V. So we have a second condition. In second condition, we have 2 branches. One is if it is 4 neighbors, we have to deal differently. If it is diagonal neighbor, we have to deal it differently. If it is 4 neighbor, simply you have to find it is 4 neighbor, then it is adjacent. Directly we can write it. If it is a diagonal neighbor, then we have to check the other condition. N4 of P, intersection of N4 of Q have no pixel values from set V. What is the meaning of intersection here? So for example, intersection value is that immediate pixel, whichever pixel P and Q we are taking it now. So intersecting pixel, we have to find it out. That intersecting pixel values are not from the V value, V set value. Okay. While doing a problem, you can understand it. Now, first problem 1 we are taking here. Here simply I have directly taken 3 by 3 matrix and V is equal to 1. What is the first condition? P and Q are from set V. Naturally, this is 1 and both the things are P and Q are from set 1. Okay. Find N4 of P. N4 of P we find because it is vertical friend. Naturally, it will be N4 of P mein rahega. So this is Q. This 1 is present in N4 of P. So Q is in N4 of P. Both the conditions are satisfied. It is called M adjacent. Okay. Because the second condition we have, first condition is if it is vertical or horizontal friend adjacency, then directly we can write the answer. Okay. Next we'll come to the second problem. Second problem, P has been taken this, Q has been taken diagonal. Okay. So what is the first condition? P and Q are from set V. Yes, 1, 1. And what is Q is in diagonal of P. Okay. So 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is in diagonal. I have found ND of P. So Q is in diagonal of P. So what we have to do? We have to check N4 of P intersection N4 of Q is not in the set of V. Okay. So we have to see what is the intersection pixel. For example, I'm taking P and Q here. Can you see my mouse? P and Q here. Okay. What is the intersecting pixels? Common pixels of P and Q. Only this 2. Always only 2 pixels will be intersecting pixels. Not more than 2. So intersecting pixels is immediate to P and Q ka common. So these values should not from the V value. If these 2 values are from V values, then it is not adjacent. What is the values of these 2? 1 and 0. 1 and 0, but 1 is available in V set, so it is not M adjacent. Okay. I'll repeat this. First condition is P and Q are from set V. So first condition is satisfied. The second condition, we have to go for second condition where two options are there. Okay, one is 4 neighbors or diagonal neighbors. We have to check whether it is 4 neighbors or diagonal neighbor. If you see the Q, it is a diagonal neighbor. So diagonal neighbor means what we have to check? N4 of P, intersection of N4 of Q is not, this is not in set V. Okay, so I have to take a redraw again, P and Q pixels, and intersecting pixels also I'll draw here. Always there are only two intersecting pixels, below and above of this. Okay, so what will happen here? We have to find the answer of this. Intersection N4 of P, intersection N4 of Q. What are the values here? 1 and this is 0. 1 and 0. As 1 is in the set V, P and Q are not adjacent. For example, here it is 0, 0. If it is there, then what happens? It is at M adjacent. Because it is 1 is there in the set V, so it is not M adjacent. Okay, I think it's over now. Just you can unmute yourself now and tell me whether you understood this M adjacency.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes.
actually, I think previous I
Ma'am.
don't have a previous. Yeah, any doubts?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, P and Q are given in the question itself.
Yes, P and Q will be given in the question.
So, ma'am, I'm asking, suppose we consider that
Hmm.
P and Q are in the diagonal elements only, but they are so far away that there is no intersection point only.
This is a P pixel, and the Q pixel is 225.
Yeah, last.
So
Okay.
P pixel and Q pixel, whether they are adjacent, they are not neighbors at all. How they can be adjacent? So it is no point that we are only considering the immediate pixel values and checking it. So if it is very far away, it is not adjacent, it is not neighbor, nothing else.